Namaste, Namaskara, Vanakkam. Including you, there are thousands of students who want to badly become chartered accountants as soon as possible. But there are hundreds of students who are stuck at CA intermediate level, attempt after attempt, because of majorly two reasons. Reason number one is taxation paper in Group 1 and audit paper in Group 2, guys. You take the data of past 5 attempts of majority of the students who failed in CA intermediate would have failed in either tax paper or audit paper. It is not that students are not serious. They are very much serious. Everyone is doing hard work. But only thing is lacking is lack of guidance. If you do the hard work in the right direction, only then you can expect the right result, guys. So in this video, I will tell you what is the exact thing which is required for you to crack tax paper. Audit paper, you can definitely find out somewhere, but tax, I guarantee you guys, follow this. I can guarantee you exemption also you can score, guys. See, first thing required is minimum 3 revisions you need to do before you go for examination. That's must. Because guys, in accounting and costing paper kind of these papers, practical papers, if you know the concept once, it is easy to solve any question. But when it comes to theory plus practical paper kind of income tax and GST, unless you revise all the provisions at least 3 times, it is not possible for you to recall the provision, because if you don't know the provision, how will you apply in the question? Understand, think logically. So 3 revisions before examination is a must. Sir, how do I do, sir? 30 days are only left for Jan 2026 examination. Don't worry. Don't worry. Follow this and you will see the wonders in the result when you will get it. First priority, give to GST. Sir, what is this, sir? You teach income tax and you are saying give priority to GST? Yes, I say this because GST has less syllabus, guys, and it takes less time. In less time, you can cover 50 marks. Income tax is vast when compared to GST. But I'm not saying to ignore income tax. I will tell you one best strategy to cover income tax also. But GST, less syllabus you have, try to cover up 100% of the GST. Very less time it will take for you. You can revise multiple times also. This 1 month only left. So first priority GST. Say for example, in a day you are allocating 3 hours for tax paper, 2 hours you give for GST, 1 hour for GST in the 1 hour for income tax in the initial few days. Then if you have time, once you are done with GST, go for income tax. Smart study you need to do. Smart study this time. You are giving attempt after attempt. You don't even know how to score in income tax or GST, guys. So GST, don't leave any topic. Less syllabus, more marks you can get. Out of 50, at least try 25 plus or 30 in GST. So rest, if you are aiming for exemption, rest 30 you can aim in income tax, very much possible. Sir, income tax is very vast, sir. So many concepts are there. Don't worry. Be in this video till the end. I'll give you amazing, amazing tips, guys. Now, what if I tell you there are some important topics which can give you high score with just less time in income tax subject, guys? There are some chapters which are very small chapters, but you take the track record past 5 attempts, latest 5 attempts, I bet you from these chapters you would definitely find questions. Yes, the first topic I would like to highlight is residential status, guys. You pick latest 3 attempts question paper and you check, or latest 5 attempts for that matter, you check if there is no residential status question or what. 100% residential status question is there. What is there in residential status? Hardly there is anything. Hardly there are any concepts. Sir, it is very complicated. Sir, the book is very complicated. Don't worry. I have a summary note prepared like this. What if I tell you residential status is with practical examples? With the practical examples, this summary note is there for residential status. And written it is. If you read from this summary note, you will never do residential status concept wrong question. There are many students who get confused in residential status. I have uploaded a free video on residential status. You go and watch that. After watching that, if you go wrong, you will never go wrong. That I can guarantee, guys. In my YouTube channel, you go under live section, you will find class 2 residential status, you will find, go watch that. You will get 100% clarity. Next. So 100% guys, 4 marker minimum question is asked every attempt from residential status. You must read this chapter, give priority, first priority to this. Second priority would be set off of losses. You know what? In total income computation, the very first question, set off of loss adjustment is definitely added in the adjustments, guys. You cannot miss this chapter. Small chapter. Once or twice, if you read properly, if you know everything, you will crack that question or adjustment. For that also, I have beautiful summary chart. I'll show you that. Only hardly 10 pages it is. Like this, with the practical examples it is there. Handwritten notes. Guys, when you will go for examination, one day before examination, you cannot revise whole study material. You cannot revise whole whatever faculty book. What you need to have, a summary note like this, where quickly you can revise the all concepts. So this is a beautiful, see the summary. For all the adjustments of the set off and carry forward losses I've covered in this. Next thing you need is income from house property. What is there in this? Hardly any, not even 7-8 concepts, but you will get marks. In a total income computation, a lot of times income from house property is also asked. Clubbing of income. TCS, sir, TDS is very vast, sir. So many sections are there, sir. I'll show you one chart. Wait, this chart you will find it in this video's description. Thalaiva free resources, one link is there. Just click on that, you will find this chart. All the sections I've covered in this, just one chart again. One chart, guys. Everything, including the limit. What is the important point in that section? TDS rate, everything I've given. One chart, revise multiple times. All the sections you have on your fingertips. Go and solve the question. Next. So TDS, it looks very vast, but trust me, it is easy. Yes, I have prepared this chart and I have summary notes on this also for advanced tax as well with the practical examples. Next, ATC, ATD deductions. Very common, guys, very common. In total income computation, if you have to find total income, you have to remove chapter 6 deductions. You cannot take deductions light. So guys, these chapters alone, guys, trust me, only these chapters, if you are very good at, minimum 25 marks out of 50 marks is done. How much time it will take? All small chapters these are. None of the chapters which I mentioned here is big. Then comes PGBP. Don't take PGBP light, because PGBP is nothing but your total income computation question. The very first question, 15 marker question, guys. And it is very fun, it is. You want PGBP summary also? I have PGBP summary also, guys. See this PGBP summary. How beautifully handwritten note it is. See, everything I have explained so beautifully in chart formats, color note it is. One day before examination, you need not prepare any note. Just refer this note enough, more than enough. You will be able to revise all the concepts before you go for examination. Next. So guys, you just cover these chapters. I am not saying leave with other subjects, other chapters. I am not saying like that. I am not asking you to leave other chapters. What I am saying is, in less time, how you can cover more syllabus. Because in less time, if you can cover more marks, very good, no? Then you have time with you. Go and refer other chapters. Definitely you need to refer full all the topics. But initially when you spend time, now 1 month only left, within the initial few days, if you can revise these topics, maximum of the syllabus is covered. You are tension free. Yes, so these are important topics for income tax, guys. Trust me. You don't believe me, you go and take the latest question papers and check whether questions are there or not in this. Don't take only one question paper. Take 3 question papers. May, September and last Jan. You will only realize this. What I'm saying is absolutely correct. And if I cover this also, 10 marks here, 15 marks here itself, 35 to 40 marks is done. If you cover only this including PGBP, 35 to 40 marker Among 50 marks, it is done, guys, for income tax. Next. Sir, the problem with me is I do not have conceptual clarity, sir. I thought I have conceptual clarity, but when I go to solve a question, I don't even know, sir, which provision it is relating to. I'm not able to exactly connect the question with the provision of the act, sir. What should I do? And even if I know the provision, I don't know where is the tricky point in the question. Lot of times, unnecessary information which is given in the question, I even consider that for my answer. I am very bad at practice, sir. Nor concepts, nor practice. Nothing is happening, sir. Income tax is a nightmare for me, literally. Then, guys, don't worry. What if I tell you full income tax subject is covered in 80 hours? Just today, I have finished the practice batch. Thalaiva training practice batch for CA Intermediate Jan 2026 attempt. Hundreds of students have watched online for free this one. But backup is not provided. Backup is provided only for the paid batch students. If you want the backup, or you don't want to directly buy, you want to first check how I teach, go into my YouTube channel, this Tax Thalaiva channel, under live section, or you just type class 1 Thalaiva training session or practice batch class 1 Tax Thalaiva. You will get class 1. Just to watch class 1. One class you watch. If you gain the trust on my teaching, come and buy this course. Otherwise, don't buy. Don't buy. Okay. So what all you will get, in this batch? Just 80 hours I have covered. Guys, you genuinely tell me, do you watch any video, recorded video in one speed? No. Minimum every student watches is 1.5 speed. If I have covered already income tax, wait a second. If I have already covered income tax in 80 hours, guys, what all I have covered in this, full 100% syllabus of income tax is covered for CA Intermediate, Jan 26 attempt. 100% English language. All the chapters are covered. We have done study material questions, previous year questions, RTP questions, everything we have done. Big questions, and my style of teaching is what, first I teach the concept. Then at the time of reading the question, again I connect the question with the concept. So 2 times you are revising that concept itself, 2 times revision is happening. Question, we break the question into small pieces and we understand this information is related to which section. This information, what adjustment we will do, everything in detail. And guys, lot of times to confuse you in the examination, ICI gives you unnecessary information. All that we have in detail covered. Hundreds of students have attended this practice batch, guys, on my channel. So if you want to take this, you can take this. Just 80 into 1.5 speed. If you do it within 60 hours, you can cover your income tax. Daily 5 hours if you spend, within 10 to 12 days, your income tax is done. And if you have done this practice batch, trust me, you will not have conceptual problem. You will become expert in how to tackle a question and how to present. All India toppers answer sheets also we have analyzed in this batch. So guys, power packed batches. So you can consider buying that if you do not have conceptual clarity. No sir, I know the concepts, sir. Questions I'm not able to tackle. That also will be helpful for this batch. 2 revision of concepts is done. First I teach all the provisions regarding that chapter. Then at the time of solving the question also, I again repeat the concept. So 2 revision of the concepts is done in this. Study material questions are covered. Previous year questions are covered. RTP questions are covered. Topper paper analysis, All India rank 1 and All India highest marks in tax paper, All India rank 29. 3 topper question paper analysis have done. You know what? What is the benefit? If you can see how a topper presents, you present 80% of what topper is presenting, you will already score more than exemption in that paper, guys. Sir, what about the summary notes? How is it helpful? This summary notes which I am talking about. This is just a sample. For every chapter you will find like this. This summary notes will be helpful for your revision one day before exam. One day before exam, it is not possible to revise your full study material ICI module, not possible. If you have prepared a good summary note like this, good enough. Otherwise, you should have something. Within just one day, how will you revise income tax and GST full one day before examination? Not possible. So if you have summary note like this summary note what? 1 hour, half an hour you sit, you will finish off residential status if you have attended my course already. Or you're getting it practice batch if you have already attended. This note if you want to revise. All notes guys, full summary notes if you want to revise. I think within one day you can cover all the chapters. Full income tax you can cover from my summary notes. It is possible. Hundreds of students are benefiting out of this. Test series also I am giving in this. 2 full length test series will be conducted. Don't delay it. Don't delay it. If you write this test series, I will personally evaluate. I will give my comments where you are lacking, where you need to improve. Doubt support is given on this WhatsApp number. We have a separate Tax Thalaiva training practice batch group, WhatsApp group, where there are lot of students who are there in the group, and any doubt is there for the student, we provide full support on the doubt guys. So I already told you for last day revision, what should I do, sir? Very simple. Last day revision, 2 possibilities. Number 1, do you have your own summary notes? If no, prepare it. Sir, I can't prepare it, sir. No time. Then come and take this summary notes which I have prepared. Sir, is it free? No, it is not free. You need to pay. If you pay just 1,500 rupees, you will get all this. I will provide discount also if you cannot pay 1,500. But you need to ping me on the WhatsApp number. We can discuss on the discount. Don't worry. You will get what you know. You will get full 100% income tax subject, practice batch backup. Full you will get 100% English language. 2 books you will get. Thalaiva Notes, which is study material kind of thing. Thalaiva Question Bank. And you are getting summary notes, which I just now showed you. That will be also part of the program. Paid batch, practice batch. But you will not be able to download the summary notes, mind you. You can view it. And the test series you will get, and the doubt support you will get. Everything. Guys, imagine full 100% English language, full 100% concepts practice batch. 2 books you are getting at your doorstep, including courier charges, it is included. Test series is included, doubt support is included, summary notes is included. What else do you expect in just 1,500 rupees? Sir, I can't pay 1,500, sir. Financially very, very problematic. Ping me on the WhatsApp number. Let's see how much you can pay. But if you are serious enough to clear, tax paper is nightmare for you. Tax paper is troubling you from multiple attempts. Please take this batch. Yes, next. MCQ discussion very soon. I'll be coming on my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe to this channel, guys. And rapid revision video also I'll be coming up with very soon. Rapid revision I'll be doing from the summary notes on the YouTube. I'll be uploading, guys. This practice batch Jan 2026 attempt, hundreds of students have benefited. The student who joined the batch with lot of nervousness, lot of fear about income tax paper, have gone out with full confidence. Trust me, I'm telling on record, the students are watching who have joined my batch. So if you want to take the benefit of this batch, ping me on the WhatsApp number 8919258063. I'll give you the details. No, sir, everything is fine for me. I know concepts. I can crack questions, everything, sir. Just tell me how can I revise income tax in less time. Very simple. On my YouTube channel itself, Tax Thalaiva, you will find tax marathon video which I uploaded for May attempt. There is no change in, only 2 minor amendments are there in income tax. That also separate video you will find on my YouTube channel only. Amendments for September 25 attempt I have already uploaded. Those 2 minor changes you see. Otherwise, as it is, ditto marathon video will applicable for Jan 26. Within 12 hours, full income tax I have covered. 100% English language. Go watch that marathon video. Go watch that marathon video. You will enjoy. If you want the book which I have used in that marathon video, free you want. In this video description, you will find Thalaiva free resources. Click on that. You will be able to download that PDF. You want hard copy only book, 500 rupees you pay, including courier charges, hard copy, everything you will get at your doorstep. Color coded book. You go and watch in the marathon video. You will get the confidence. Yes, guys. So if tax is troubling you, do this, guys. 1 month you do this. You will only text me on the result day. Yes, sir, I followed this. I cracked this. Yes. So if you are a serious candidate, let me know in the comment section. You put in the comment section tax, I will crack it, sir. Yes. So with this thing, guys, I should take your leave. Be very serious. Last 1 month preparation only matters. Whatever you did in the past, you did not do anything in the past, don't matter, does not matter at all. If even if you didn't do anything in the past, guys, this 1 month, get back, be serious, change your life. From a student, you will become an article assistant as a professional. 1 month, it will change you. Yes, 1 month dedication is enough. So that's all, guys. Take care. All the very best. Lot of content will come on my channel. Do subscribe if you are new and follow it. Take care. Bye bye.